Do some clean girl makeup for women over 30 whose skin needs a little extra love. Peep my flooded house behind me. A few drops of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Then we're gonna do a little hydrating serum and a little sunscreen. A little brow wax to fluff the brows. And shape those puppies. Fill them in with a contour shade. Definitely need to plug my brows. And bronzer all over to even out the skin tone. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my bronzer with my contour, add a little more definition to my cheeks, and do the softest little nose contour job. Instead of using concealer under the eyes, I'm gonna use my magical color correcting kit. This is called Demi. With Demi, you use Color Science, neutralizes and tones the skin without any excess makeup texture. Basically makes your acne spots disappear. A little excess purple and blue right here, so I'm using the opposite color, which is yellow and orange. And it's a little bit more blue. I'm adding just an orange. Red orange, where it's more muddy green on the outside of my eye. Demi under eye, nothing under my eye. Blush and some gloss right here. Tiny bit of contour for lip liner. Gloss a little red and on my lips too. Let's do a quick side by side. So first clip is no makeup at all. And then this is with our clean girl makeup routine. Look at that. So natural and beautiful. Everything I used was all from this one palette. Text or comment the word match below to get recommendations for your own clean girl all-in makeup palette.